Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making a video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends. Okay, and friends, if you have any doubt you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments friends. Okay, and friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail, and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 at the rate gmail.com. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906 at the rate gmail.com. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called how to get the result you want. Okay. So this was the 8th chapter which I started on the last video, and it is the first subtopic of this chapter, that is easy does it. Okay, friends. So this is 82nd video, friends, 82 number video, and the name of the topic is easy does it. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is selling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. A house owner once remonstrated with a furnace repairing for changing $200 for fixing the boiler. So, your author Joseph Murphy is selling a house owner once remonstrate with a furnace of repairing and changing the house with $200, friends. Okay. The mechanic said, I charged 5 cents for the missing bolt. So here author Joseph Murphy is saying that mechanic said that I charged the 5 cent for the missing bolt and 199 dollars and 95 cent for knowing what was wrong. So here I will make you understand. So there was a problem in a house. So a person called in the uh, boiler. There was a problem of a person house. So he called a mechanic. So mechanic came, and mechanic came and said that my charges is $200, and he said that I charged 5 cent for the missing bolt, right? And I charged $199.95 for knowing what was wrong. Means just to know what was wrong, he charged this much rupees, and just the price of that bolt was only 5 cent, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is selling to us on this topic. Similarly, your subconscious mind is the master mechanic, the all wise one. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling in the same way, our subconscious mind is the master mechanic of all the wise one, friends. Okay, who knows ways and means of healing any organ of your body. So our subconscious mind knows all the way and knows the way of healing each and every organ in our body, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, as well as your affairs degree health, and your subconscious mind will establish it. So as well as our affairs and degree health, our subconscious mind is going to establish that, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. But relaxation is the key, easy does it. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling relaxation is always the key and easy always does it, friends. Okay, do not be concerned with detail and means, but know the end result. So we should not be concerned about the details and means, and we should know the end result, friends. Okay, this is important for us. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Get the feel of the happy solution to your problem, whether it is health, finance, or employment. So we should get the feel of the happy solution of our problem, whether it's finance, employment, or any other kind of health, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Remember how you felt after you had recovered from a severe state of illness. So we should always know that how we felt that when we recovered from a severe state of illness, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Bear bear in mind that your feeling is the touchstone of all subconscious demonstration. So we should always bear in the mind that the fear is a touchstone of all subconscious demonstration, friends. Okay, you new idea must be felt subjectively in a finished state. So our nude idea should always be in a subjectively finished state, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Not the future, but as coming about now. So not the future, but as coming about now. So friend, this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friend, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I've covered a concept called easy does it. And our next topic, I'm going to cover the concept called use imagination and not willpower. This topic, friends. Okay. So friends, this brings to end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care, friends. Okay. And I will be meeting you in the next video.